Who is that? I think it's Kane's. I didn't even want to do this video, or I didn't want to like start back this YouTube stuff, but you know, I was kind of like peer pressured into doing it, you know, by some coworkers. Specifically, they go by the name of Lex and Ahmed. Today, I'm gonna be installing some LED bulbs on my car. Let me just show you what they are. Okay, that's, right here. Got a bunch of Phillips bulbs. Yeah, I got some. Let it focus. Got some. What is it? Like some interior bulbs here. Some white interior bulbs. Shoot. I got some. This is amber turn signal bulbs. Some red brake light bulbs, and then the reverse light bulbs. Then I got some extra side marker bulbs for just some extra stuff that I need. But yeah, these stuff came up to like almost $100. And but yeah, it's LED bulbs, so you're paying for quality, you know. But yeah, let's get right outside and put this stuff on. See that booty? Oh shoot. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually take apart this stuff. Now I don't want to hold the camera up because I'm camera shy and it's outside, so I don't want to look like that type of vlogger that just holds the camera up and like.
What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be fixing my Integra. Need some fixing with the LED bulbs, but you know, that's just some soft things, you know. But let's just get right into it, okay? Okay.
This is weird to me, but I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Take off this whole plastic panel. Take this off. This thing's already off because someone took it off. But these bulbs are you just twist out and you just take out the bulbs. And these ones I just take out and pop out. Okay, so I took the panel off. So yeah, and everything's exposed. So now I just have to take the bulbs out, and it's that simple. But look how disgusting it is in here. It's nasty. That's gonna get fixed. I don't know how soon though. Got these first ones in. Got the brake lights in. It looks nice and crispy. I can't even see. Okay, so changing plans. Yeah, these bulbs are being annoying right now. Yeah, these bulbs, they're garbage. I can't even fit them in, and they're not working right. I kind of broke it already. So I'm just gonna have to get new LED bulbs for this. Like not Philips. Do not buy these pieces of garbage. You gotta keep it G-rated here, you know. Do not buy this 1157A Philips bulbs if you have a Integra, cause they're not gonna fit, and you're just gonna have to do some electrician engineering BS. So I'm just gonna use the old bulbs for now and just install the LEDs later. Bro, look how heavy duty this one is compared to the old one.
It's an LED thing.
Now you in that way. Is it now you see me, now you don't? That's how you do it. Now you see me, now you don't.
Oh, the switch is freaking broken. Oh shit. Yeah, it turns on fine, but it's a door. It's broken. Let's see, hold on. Okay. Okay, so I got the indicator bulbs. It took like almost less than a week to come after that last clip you saw. But yeah, these should fit. But yeah, let's put these in right now. Dude, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Dude, look at that! Oh my! See, both bulbs work now. It's because I had the wrong bulb. So see what hard thinking and I don't even know what to say, but they work. So now you see the end result. Bro, look at that shit. I'm blinded. I can't see. But yeah, we managed to get all the bulbs in, the night bulbs. Or not, what am I talking about night bulbs? I mean, the tail light bulbs. They're all LED now. No more incandescent. I'll show a night clip so you can compare the two and see what they look like and the differences. Yeah, but that's the end of the video, guys. I might be doing my outros like this because it's kind of easier. I know a YouTuber, Zosh, he does his outros like this, and I kind of like the idea. Just doing it like when you're done making the video, and just make the outro when you're done editing or something. But yeah, I'd like to thank Lex Luthor and Aladdin for peer pressuring me to making this video. Because without them, like just like discovering my YouTube channel, I probably wouldn't be making another YouTube video. I don't know how consistent I'm gonna be making my YouTube videos again. Because it's all about like having ideas to make a YouTube video and stuff. So if you guys have any ideas, like not too crazy, not too boring, just comment if you guys even watch. But yeah, that's it for the video. Yeah, peace.